Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel and this is Jinga Store and you are watching. So for today's video, ito po ay magiging another makeup tutorial because gabi nga na naman. So gabi na naman, so idea comes in, so different ideas. So actually hindi ko po idea to, nakita ko lang po sa Instagram that I'll be following this look. So this one, so it's an inspiration of the look of the movie Frozen 2. So we are going to do this. So kung baguhan po kayo dito and you are still new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated in every time I post my new video. So let's jump into the video. So since we're done applying with the moisturizer as our primer, so this time, yung gagawin po natin is we are going to apply our eyebrow. So using this Dermacol Gel Eyeliner. So ayan po. So in our eyebrows, so depende lang po yon kung anong uri or anong shape yung gagayahin mo. It depends on you because ikaw naman yung nakakaalam at yung kung ano po yung gusto mo. So you have to follow by your own. For as long as makokontento ka and you will be happy of the result. So, ayan po, mainit po dito. Tapos na po tayo sa ating eyebrow, sa kilay natin. And then, nalinis na po natin yung ating kilay. And so, this time, we are going to apply now the foundation. And then, gagamitin po natin tong brush na to na in-order ko po sa Shopee. And I have this, what you call this, video wherein I ordered this one in Shopee. At ngayon, we are setting it with this powder, with the clean and clear powder. At isa-set din natin yung malapit sa forehead natin because we are going to let the airplane land on it. Char lang. And so this time, kung napansin nyo po or napanood na po nyo po yung Frozen 2, so it's going to be this side is the frozen one and this one will be the spring one. So it's gonna be blue and then red. So we are going to apply the shade of blue combining these colors para sa side na ito. So this time we switch with the palette using this Morphe X James Charles palette. What I love about this palette is that kasi yung likod ng ng packaging may letter na galing ni James Charles and it says here, "Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my palette. I love glam but I also have a huge passion for crazy, colorful, outside of the box makeup and I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautifully formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist. So it's going to be like creativity. So you're going to create and to show your creativity using this kind of palette. Ayan. So what really important is that you need to show what you've got and how to deal with this kind of palette and create your own art. And so ngayon, ang gagawin po natin is guguhit po tayo ng snowflakes sa kaliwang banda dito at yung isa dito is yung parang dahon. So we are going to start it. And so ngayon, it's time for the eyeshadow. So what we are going to use is that this shade will be going as our transitional. So I'll be putting that one here. So ayan po. So it's up to you on how you will work on with the shades and the color for as long as yung creativity mo ay lalabas. So you have to put that one in your crease. Then blend it out, girl. So we are going to apply the same shade sa ating under eye. So it's going to be like red. So yung side na ito dapat red. So I just put some like intensifying color like dark shade para ma-focus po yung outer corner natin. So it's making a dimension para mag-glow yung mata natin. And so this time we will be working with our right side, I mean in the left side. So gagamitin po natin yung kulay na ito as our transitional, and then mag-combine po tayo ng mga different colors in the shade of blue. And so this time we are going to apply now some contour. Iko-contour po natin yung nose natin para maging snatchy. So gusto ko yung ilong ko para matangos kasi kulang tayo sa ilong. So for our lipstick, since wala naman po tayong kulay blue na lipstick, so we are going to use this eyeshadow as our lipstick. So lahat ng lipstick na gagamitin natin is based on this BH Care Cosmetics palette. So that's it. So this time, it's time for the highlighting session. So this time, hindi po tayo gagamit ng falsie. What we are going to do is just to apply the mascara. So ayan po, hindi po natin napigilan na lagyan na po ng ating falsie. So I guess mas maganda po siya pag may falsie. Ayan po. So this time, we are down for our final look in 3, 2, 1. So yan po, this is our final look and I'm so loving this look. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you like this video, like po and then i-share nyo na po. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated and every time I post my new video. So it's going to be like this video. So see you to my next video. Bye!